Why don't be called? Yeah. What may go now? But the client said I should drop Hazard.
I see you.
Ha!
Is it my drop?
Make I drop Hazard. So I'm asking, do you have a trusted someone that will bring an untraceable Hazard?
Hi! Mike, you don't understand.
Sure Hazard.
Sure, untraceable.
Hazard, sure Hazard. Okay, but I'm a sure leader.
Don't be today now. How much are we even talking about? How much?
5 million. Yes! Mike stole my money and went back to the city. Right? Marcus, have you gone mad?
Listen, you think people do not know? Why don't you tell people the source of your wealth? Tell them you have blood on your hands. Gerald, you watch your words. Did you hear me? Watch your words, else! Oh, else what?
My boss!
I told you!
Leave now before I descend on you! I am not going to leave this place until I see your boss. I said get out! I am not leaving!
None of this is personal. A man has to do what a man has to do.
And I did you
You're not come into my compound and insult me, say all sorts of nonsense based on some baseless assumption.
Business assumptions, you call it?
Mr. Man,
come on,
Didn't I believe you, but I know you're the wife. You're wicked so much.
So if God in his infinite wisdom decides to remove some people from this world and then boom, he blesses me, how am I responsible for that?
Exactly why you shouldn't be sitting down here. You should be at his place, fighting him to get your money from him.
I will make sure you vomit all my fortunes that is swallowed.
You can pack my entire kindred and waste all of them. That's your business. One day I am not giving you a dime. I will not.
You think my son killed your father? He is not capable of such daunting crime.
No, he's capable of kidnapping my father.
Mike sent his boys yesterday to my house and then kidnapped my father.
You cannot kill me, you wicked. You are mean.
Just pray I find my father between now and tomorrow. Else I will come back and I'll arrest you and your son for constantly threatening.
So you are not saying that a ghost moved into the house, killed my brother and his girlfriend? Are you sure you were not even the one who connived with your son to eat my $5 million?
The most important thing is that Mike shouldn't live to see the next day.
My heart is broken.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.